Hi everyone. Good afternoon from Hong Kong. Another edition of APLF is now concluded, and as usually the case by this afternoon, traffic had dropped off, though the morning still did see some pockets of activity throughout the hall. As we mentioned yesterday, depending on whom you spoke with, the fair experience was positive or negative. For the most part, exhibitors and visitors said they had good interactions, and some were able to at least start the conversation with potential new customers. With regard to hide sales, little trading actually happened today, but what did take place was at steady levels in the U.S. market and in some of the Latin American markets as well. We did see some collies trade today, seasonal weights for $33. Overall, price levels came through the fair on a stable level, and we're sure that suppliers will be working to keep them that way in the coming weeks in an effort to stave off the decreases that you typically see after APLF. Organizers and exhibitors are already looking ahead to next year when the Hong Kong Fair will see some changes. The first is the date, with the event moving back to the end of March, and it's scheduled to run from March 31st to April 2nd in 2020. The other major change will be the relocation of APLF to the third floor, because frankly, they've run out of room on the first floor. The other fairs, which are Fashion Access, Materials Plus, and Cashmere World, will move down to the smaller space on level 1. There will also be some updates of the actual booth shapes and styles to make them more open and welcoming. And in addition, the aisles will be wider. So with that, we end our coverage of the APLF 2019. Of course, we'll be back next year. And in the meantime, we'll see you on Sunday for our usual Sunday night review. Until then, good night from HideNet.